Have you ever wanted to revisit the classic versions of Grow a Garden on Roblox, like the nostalgic Candy Blossom update, but had no idea how to get into those old servers? Well, today I'm going to show you a brand new method for 2025 that players are using to access older server instances of the game. It's simple, it's quick, and if you follow each step carefully, you'll be able to explore those older worlds again. Before we start, keep in mind, every step matters. If you skip anything, the method may not work, so stay with me till the end. Alright, let's begin. First, head over to the Roblox homepage. Once you're there, look for the settings icon and click on it. Inside the menu, select Help and Safety, which will take you to another page. From here, you'll see an option called Help Center. Go ahead and click that. Now you should be on the main Roblox help site. At the top of the page, there's a search bar. Type in the word test. Once you do that, you'll notice a result related to test servers. Click on it, but don't worry about all the information that appears. That part doesn't matter for what we're doing. Instead, focus on the blue link shown on that page. Click it, and you'll be redirected to a form. This is where things start to matter, so pay close attention. First, enter your Roblox username. Adding your real name is optional, so feel free to skip it. Next, enter an email, yours or a parent's, whichever you normally use for Roblox support. Then comes the important part. For the category, choose Bug Report, and for the subcategory, select Bug Report again. Yes, both need to match. This is crucial for the process to work correctly. After that, you'll need to paste a specific message into the text field. I've made this easy for you. I've pinned the exact message you need in the comments and added it in the video description as well. Make sure you copy it exactly as written. Once you've submitted the form, Roblox processes the request and you'll be able to access older server instances for Grow a Garden, including versions that date all the way back to updates like Candy Blossom. It's honestly a pretty fun way to experience the game how it used to be. And that's it. Simple, right? Just make sure you followed each step carefully and you should be good to go. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and check the comments for the message you need to copy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.